Hello, welcome to Waggies Travels.
What a shame we can't see that.
Yeah, we shall show them that view later.
Alright.
We shall show you the view later. We are out and about and we're in Saltash. Keep still, flying ant. We are in Saltash.
We're in the park, it's October and it's boiling.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
So, anyway, we have been sent another product to review. We are sitting into, go on, pronounce this.
Oh, I can't see all the letters, so I find it hard.
Edeuoey?
Edeuoey? Yeah.
Edeuoey chairs.
Which you've seen us put together.
Which you've seen us put together. And they've asked us to review their table. So, here we go.
Right.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to hold the dog. I'm going to hold, Winnie's here, look. Winnie's here.
Winnie's always here.
Winnie's always here.
Right.
So, as per normal, we have not undone it, as you've seen.
Right, so nice string bag, waterproof.
Lightweight?
Yeah, quite lightweight. There's the name that nobody can pronounce. Might want to get onto the marketing people just for the British public. So I'm going in. Alright. So.
Wow. I'm liking the colour of that. I'm definitely liking the colour of that.
Alright, so that looks like the tabletop to me. And then we've got some legs. Alright.
Open up, do you think?
Ooh.
No rehearsals have taken place.
As per usual.
Yeah, I can see straight away. So, does that one go to that one? Yes, it does. Hang on a minute, collapse it a bit.
As you collapse it a bit.
I think we might have to collapse. There we go. Right, there you go.
That's not sure. Oh my god. Right, so what's top and what's bottom?
So that's bottom.
So
I'm assuming that.
I don't know. Let's have a look how this clips on.
Goes onto them runners. See it? Other way. Other way.
I don't know why you ever give me this to do.
What do you think? I think.
No, because that's going the wrong way.
Okay, in that case then let's swish the whole lot round. Wait a minute, that's come out of there. That's down, that's down. So I'd say that goes like that. Yes, it's better. Houston, we have a table.
Are you going to stand on it?
No.
Oh.
How cool is that? That is uber light. Well, I see what, that has just definitely replaced our big.
Well, that's definitely roadside, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's definitely when we stop and have a quick cup of tea.
That is. I tell you what, if you were backpacking with this.
Yeah. You put a little camping stove on it.
Yeah, that is absolutely brilliant. It's pretty stable as well, isn't it?
Oh, there's Winnie. Winnie likes it.
Winnie's off. I like the blue.
It's a cool colour, isn't it?
That is a pretty cool colour.
Make sure it is blue.
Yeah,
and
it
not
is
just
blue.
the tape.
That's absolutely brilliant. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of my able assistants to pass me the bag.
What bag?
No, the rose bag.
Why?
That's it.
It's empty.
Ah, in that case then.
Our pasties are up there.
Ah, brilliant. Could you bring our pasties round? We have an able assistant. Could you put them on the table for us? There we go. Excellent. Thank you. So, that was very easy.
Even for us, that
was unbelievably easy to put together.
So, in the bag's in two sections, so that the legs for one section and the tabletop was the other section. So just thought I'd mention
That's
that.
good. Again,
Yeah.
that's brilliant.
So yeah, the bag is in 2 halves. So things won't get all mixed up inside the bag.
Yeah.
So
That is, I really like that. That will definitely replace, these chairs have replaced the big chairs that we take now. So we've just saved masses of space.
well, we've got this big trip coming up, haven't we?
Yeah, so
space is going to be a
Yeah,
premium.
as you know, we're off to Rome. So, but this, I definitely like. Very simple, very lightweight. If you were backpacking, brilliant.
You could definitely cook on that.
Yeah.
Because that's very similar to my cooker and my little kitchen station, isn't it?
Yeah.
The top is exactly the same.
Yeah.
So, yeah, nice.
I like it. So,
Around the campfire.
link below in the description. Big thumbs up.
Ring the bell.
Oh, it's a bit material. So,
Ring the bell for notifications.
yes, we've got to do this in order, haven't we? So, if you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already, then please subscribe.
Sorry, we're
and,
squinting. It's just so beautifully sunny.
and
Ring the bell for
notifications.
notifications.
Excellent.
There's even little bugs. It's like spring. The world's gone
So
mad.
I've just watched a ladybird fly past us.
Can you just pan around there?
I can.
So they can see
Yeah,
where we're sat.
2 seconds. I'm going to show you what we're looking at. Bear with me. Look at the view.
And then I don't know if you can see through the trees is a little iron bridge.
Yeah, that's actually, so that's the Gunners Lake.
Right.
That's
Sorry.
a nice one.
Oh, you got ladybird in your hair.
Have I?
Yeah. Got
I
one on your head.
ladybird.
It's on your head.
Oh, yeah. So, I've got a
You're
ladybug.
attracting the ladies.
I've got to check in the ladies. Anyway, that was our review of the Edeuoey
And then
lightweight camping table.
we're gonna have a picnic.
And now we're going to have a picnic. So,
I'm eating my vegan
hang on. Sorry.
So you're eating your,
vegan curry pasta. Oh, I can't say the name. Vegan curry pasta with
Yeah.
wholemeal pastry.
excellent. Right,
Lovely.
we'll be back in our next one. We've got another couple of things to review, haven't we?
Mm.
Well, even got some binoculars. Just
We
had
need a bird book.
yes, we do. Ladybird on your pasty, don't eat it. So, right.
I thought I was a lady.
Do you want to say goodbye?